Hi folks, I'm out on my deck, which, as some of you know, my goal every year is to have a flower bestrewn deck. I have not planted any containers yet, just have one gift basket there. But this is my favorite place to sit very often with my husband as we drink sparkling water or have other refreshments. So this is where I'm going to unbox the giveaway that I got from Petal Sparkling Waters and Diana Peters Designs on my soon-to-be flower bestrewn deck. Okay, here we go. This is the box that I got from Petal Beverage. Oh my. Look at this. Didn't expect this. Flowery things. Not sure where they go, but I'll put it on my head to start with. Dear Debbie, congrats on winning our giveaway with Diana Peters. Enjoy all the sparkles and stay well. Best, Kanda. So this is from Petal Beverages. And this must be the necklace from or the bracelet from Diana Peters Designs. It's a heart link chain bracelet from their Mother's Day giveaway. Ooh, it does look beautiful. It's a little far to see it, but I will post a picture of it soon. And here is the case. All the flavors. I cannot wait to try these. All these flavors of Petal Sparkling Waters. So let's take a look at some of the names. I'll wait till it's chilled before I actually try any of these. But here, these flavors I know are just amazing. So here we go. We've got elderberry white tea flower. Love elderberry. Original rose. I grow roses for their edible petals. And more original rose. Here's another one. Oh, I grow lemongrass too. And unfortunately, I do grow dandelions. Lemongrass, dandelion, strawberry. All things in my garden. I am so excited to have sparkling waters that have the flavors of my garden in them. Sparkling mint rose. Again, I grow mint, I grow roses. Lychee rose. Now I don't grow lychees. Not even sure how to say it. Mint rose. And then there's another flavor here to try. Ooh, peach marigold basil. I don't grow peaches here either, but I do grow marigolds and basil. So these are all the flavors I'm going to get a try of Petals Sparkling Waters, and I have a lovely new bracelet to wear. Thank you very much, Petals and Diana Peters Designs.